But right now, let's go ahead and talk to Ellen. Ellen is calling from Kissimmee. Go ahead, Ellen.
Hi, I'm calling about our 2015 Ram. When we turn it on to start it up, an indicator comes up on the dash that says the right rear brake light is out, but when you walk around the vehicle and you test the brake light, all the lights work on the back.
Okay. Sometimes if you've got an issue like that, Ellen, it's possible that there may have been some condensation that has actually maybe gotten into the taillight itself. Have you all removed the taillight and maybe moved it around to see if there was any moisture inside of it?
No, because when we went to, of course, you access it from the inside, and when we went to do that, the bulb is an unusual assembly, and in looking at the book, it says it's an LED that has to be serviced by an authorized dealer.
Yeah,
I know.
Okay, well then what it is? See, those come two different ways. The base models of those come with pretty much some replaceable bulbs. The premiums come with the LEDs. Were you physically able to remove the bulb?
No.
Okay. If it's integrated, then the taillight assembly would actually need to be replaced on that.
That sounds pricey.
Well, it's not that bad. I think they're usually $200-$300. For a tail lamp, but it's what we deal with nowadays, Ellen. Let me just give you an example.
Yeah, I know.
Let me give you an example. If we needed to replace a headlight assembly in a late model Lexus, it's $3,000. If I need to replace a headlight on my pickup truck, the headlight I think is $1,300. And see, these things they don't have replaceable bulbs in them anymore. So I guess the manufacturers figured, they didn't want us to have a cheap way out if we couldn't see where we were going. So much for selling inexpensive replaceable bulbs, But yeah, that's what we're dealing. That's what we're dealing with nowadays. Is stuff like that. If you want, I can check and see what kind of what's available in the aftermarket. And see if we can get a tail lamp for it and see if we can. Go ahead.
I guess my gut feeling was, even though it says it's not working, since it is working, as long as it's working, to just go forward.
Yeah. But it's something where I'd tell you to keep an eye on it, because you never know when you got an indication like that saying something's wrong, even though it's working. But I would use it and just keep an eye on it, Hopefully, if it does act up, you'll catch it before the highway patrol does.
Yeah, that would be good.
Hey, Ellen, you have a great weekend.
All right, thank you.
Uh-huh.